This is Tom Salemi. We're here at OIS at ASCRS, and I'm happy to be joined by Reza Zadno, CEO and President of Avedro. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
So I have three big questions for Avedro. Okay. You've got, first of all, happy birthday. It's your 10th
yes,
birthday, right?
10th anniversary.
I don't have anything for you, but it'll be in the mail. It's coming. But you have a lot of great news. You've got a lot of packages already delivered, including in November. You had celebrated the one-year anniversary of the FDA's approval of corneal cross-linking. And at the time, you'd given an update. You had 10,000 procedures. Then you were getting increased insurance coverage. Give us an update on KXL, please.
So since the launch of the product, there are about 13,000 cases performed now in the U.S. And on the market access, great progress has been made. Today, there are about 34 carriers covering the procedure. Patients have better access to care, and about 98 million covered lives. And many of the carriers are paying the drug and the procedure, so great progress over there.
And is that taking any unusual efforts on your part? This is kind of a sub-question of question one. I know you had started one program to sort of encourage reimbursement. How is that? How does that work, and how is it working?
So the ARCH program that we put in place helps, has multiple components part of that. One is helping with patients who do not have insurance, or Medicaid patients, patients who are economically eligible. We provide the drug for free when the physicians do charity cases. We also help fight these claims that are either not paid or not either denied or not paid to what the claims were submitted for. So we help with that. There's a hub helping with that. And again, Medicaid and the economical eligible patients. So there are thousands of cases that we have helped. We are working on those to get the payments. But the good news is there is, for example, in Massachusetts, Blue Cross starts paying. There's payment policies are being established. The start, because there was no history, took a little bit longer in the beginning. But as practices are submitting claims, carriers see the benefit of the treatment compared to transplant. It is definitely better for the patient and costs less. I mean, the average corneal transplant is like $20,000. So it makes sense to cover this procedure and provide access.
In March, we'll stick with the FDA. You announced that the FDA had agreed upon the SPA for your Epi-on phase 3, pivotal phase 3. Can you give us an update on that, please?
Yes, so we are very excited about that. It's the first phase 3 Epi-on in the U.S. That we received approval to start the patient enrollment. We believe the enrollment is going to start any day in the next week or so. So this will take about 1 year of enrollment. This is a very similar endpoint as the Epi-off. So from an efficacy will be similar to the goal is to have similar endpoints as the Epi-off procedure, but it is better for the patient, and we are very excited. I think it will be easier on the patient and faster procedure.
Excellent. And then finally, you're continuing to build out your team. You have a new CFO, Tom Griffin, joined, and then last month you brought aboard Jim Sherman as the new Chief Business Officer.
Yeah.
Talk a bit about the team and the role of the CBO.
Yes, so we are very excited that Jim joined the company. As we grow and put more effort in our commercial activity, Jim brings experience from, he was with Medtronic. He was with a division that was a startup hardware over there. He grew that business from beginning to $270 million. So he was in charge of sales and marketing and market access, government affairs. So he will do similar thing here. So he will be in charge of sales and marketing and reimbursement, and we can benefit tremendously from his experience as reimbursement is advancing.
Excellent. Great. Well, Reza, thank you for the
Okay.
update. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
joining us.
Thank you.